By the way, if so, so, therefore, thus. That is why, for this reason, even if, as you know, actually, in fact, of course, only if, finally, eventually, at last, especially, in a way, in other words, in this way, to be exact, bad. However, although, as if, only then, as though, otherwise, on the other hand, in the same way, as well as, generally, in general, similarly, besides, moreover, furthermore, in particular, or in all, in conclusion.